Hey guys! Today we're going to talk about how I get these colored backgrounds for very cheap. Let's roll the intro. So, today we're talking about these backgrounds you see with green and blue colors. It's a technique called decoupling the background by using different colors. So you light your subject, which in this case is me, and then you light the backgrounds in different colors so that there's a bigger contrast between them. Now I used to have expensive RGB light, or at least one, to do this, and although it brought a lot of features and it was nice to use and etc., it cost about 150 bucks, and that's cheap for an RGB photo light. And well, it broke after a while and I really didn't want to pay that much to replace it. So I went looking for another solution, and I think I found one. Well, I found one. So when getting a colored light, or any light at all basically, you need to watch out for one thing, and that is if it uses PWM. So any RGB light that can control the different colors or the light output, etc., 90% of them use PWM at a frequency which will show up during the video. You don't want that. So you need to look for a light that instead is controlled using constant current. And if you do that, those lights don't flicker, so you can use them in videos. So I went looking and I found these. These are officially colored garden lights, and well, I bought a bunch of them, and I have the 10 watt and a 20 watt variants of different colors. And as you can see, well, you can see here, I'm being lit with a lot of light because I'm at low ISO values, etc. And these still manage to overpower that light and light the wall. I'm not going to make this video very long. You can see the results in all of my videos, etc. So if you want to see how it looks, look at those videos. And well, the most important thing to remember is constant current and the wattage. Now the wattage differs per color you're going to buy, because the blue light you see is a 10 watt lamp, but the green light you see is a 20 watt version. And I can switch that. Hold on, there we go. Now it's a red version, and this is also a 20 watt version. So when selecting these lights, blue light doesn't need a lot of wattage, and they say 10 watts, but in reality they mean about 5 to 6 watts, or at least that's what it's drawing from the socket. Green, next in line, needs more energy or wattage, but not as much as red does. So the green light was 20 watt, and this red one is also 20 watt. Now as you can see again on my power meter, that means it's about 10 to 11 watts in reality, but hey, it's throwing off a lot of light, so that's fine. So if you're buying a set and you want to light walls like I do, get a 10 watt blue one, a 20 watt green one, and a 30 watt red one. And then I think on camera the light output should be almost the same. And yeah, I'll show you some close-up shots of the light. Oh, they come with these 3 bare copper wires which you need to connect. So I use a standard power cable you get with your computer or whatever. I always have many of these lying around. And basically I snip off the end, and then I have these connector blocks with which I connect the 2 wires together. Just connect the same colors to each other and that's fine. It's insulated, so it's no danger, and it's an easy way to connect it. Of course, it's not waterproof, but you're going to use these inside, so that should be fine. The last thing I want to address is color accuracy. No. The color accuracy is no. I hope that says enough. Even between 2 lights, it's still no. Just no. There's no color accuracy. Done. It's reddish and bluish and greenish. Somewhat. Somewhere. A little bit. So yeah. So, if you're looking for cheap video lights, the 10 watt variant is $6, including shipping, and the 20 watt variant is $11. And for that price, maybe give it a try. And well, I have some affiliate links in the description. I'd appreciate you using those. maybe subscribe and watch some other videos on the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.